Yo, y'all already know who it is, man. Hey, I'm just coming to y'all, man. I want to try to fix my lock on my glove box, man. So I was watching Bags on the Go short. So I'm gonna try to see if I can't put this back on. Like he showed how to get it off, but I want to see if I can try to get it back on. So let's get it. All right, y'all, let's get it. So we got our lock, and hopefully this is our tool, a paper clip. All right. So y'all see the little hole right here. It's also a hole behind here. If you look down in yours, you know what I mean, you'll be able to see it. So we supposed to kind of push this pin right here down, I guess. This silver one. See how it goes down a little bit? Hold up. There you go. See how it goes down? So that's what we're trying to do. Alright? Let's get to work.
What's up? Man, y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Back one more again. Hey, how many of y'all out there done work hard all week? Hey, and all you wanna do is go out and have yourself a good time. Check this out, huh? Hey, well let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Let's go out tonight, yeah, it's Friday, y'all. And I wanna get drunk and have a ball. So I asked the old lady if she wanna hit the mall. Cause we gonna spin the bag, then put that shit on. Cause we stepping out tonight, looking just right. Baby,
Man, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. And I'll cut y'all back on if I get some. Alright?
I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Hey, all we wanna do is go out and party. Have ourselves a real good time. Hey, is that alright? You done had a long, hard week at work. You got your moonshine, you got your money, and you got you something good to smoke. Hey, go out and have a good time. Hey, we pull up to the hole in the wall, the damn floor packed, y'all. I got my wood lit, the DJ playing my shit, y'all. Well, let's go out tonight.
Alright, y'all, what I did was I took that ring off, man. I'ma see if that'll help. Alright? Let's get it.
So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. Well, let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. So let's go out tonight. I wanna party, y'all. I wanna party, y'all. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Hey, y'all put on y'all dancing shoes. Let's go out in two-step. Two-step, y'all. Y'all ready? Yeah. Come on. Hey, come on in 2 steps to your left, then back to the right, then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. And Lord, she twerking and Lord, she doing it just right. Everybody on the dance floor doing it 2-step all night. We went to a party way down in the country, and where we bout to go, y'all, we don't need a lot of money. Pull my song. Y'all, the damn floor will pack, y'all. Everybody get me two-step on. Two-step to your left. Bring them back to the right. Then they turn to the left, y'all. We bout to party all night. I can't wait to get in the door. I going straight to the dance floor. Cause I wanna get my two-step on. Cause my knees can't take no more than two steps to your left. Then back to the right. Then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. And Lord, she twerking and twerking. And Lord, she doing it just right. Everybody on the dance floor doing it two-step all night.
Man, I'll cut y'all back on.
Two-stepping with my wood lid.
Alright, y'all. I had to take a break. This is the next day. I had to watch a video. Alright, so y'all can see these. I forgot what they call, but y'all see these the tooth on here, right? Alright, so this one right here actually has to go down, right? So on the video it said that you just put the key in there. Well, you have to actually push it down first. So you push it down, push the key in, and then you see all of them go down, right? See? Alright, so we should be able to just push it in after this. We'll see. Let's get it.
Everybody on the dance floor doing it two-step all night.
What's the address for your emergency?
I'm locked inside my car. I cannot open my car. I can't get the windows down. Nothing electrical works. It's getting very hot in here, and I'm not feeling well. I need some help.
Are you able to pull the lock up on the door and open the door? You should be able to just pull the lock up even if it's electrical.
All right, I got that going. Okay.
So are you able to get out of the car now?
Alright, so I did something right. Try it again.
I'll see if I can get AAA or something.
Okay.
All righty. Bye-bye.
Everybody came out to unwind. So don't come out here, y'all, if you ain't trying to have a good time. Everybody on the dance floor stepping, two-stepping with a cup in their hand. Y'all just keep stepping. I bout to roll up again. Two steps to your left, bring them back to the right. Then it turn to the left, y'all. We bout to party all night. Nephew Jones bought the moonshine. They got chicken fresh out the grease. You can eat, just pat your feet, while the rest step with Come on in, two steps to your left, then back to the right. Then you turn to the left, y'all. We gon' party all night. And Lord, she twerking and twerking. And Lord, she doing it just right. Everybody on the dance floor doing it two-step all night. Hey, play that guitar like you're two-stepping, JP. Yes, sir. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Lord, she twerking, Lord. Yes, sir. JP made this one. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84. Back one more game. Hey, how many y'all out there got an old school and all you wanna do is just ride? It don't matter where you ride. You just wanna ride. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hey, maybe just the weekend, but all you wanna do is just ride. Hey, well if you feel it, put your hands in the air and wave from side to side. Yes sir, cause all you wanna do is just ride. So go ahead and grab your keys. Tell your old man and tell your old lady you'll be back, cause you just wanna ride. Cause if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all.
We just wanna ride, y'all.
So if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all.
We just wanna ride, y'all.
Cause when you pull them out, it just make you wanna scream and shout. We just wanna ride, y'all.
We just wanna ride, y'all.
So turn the radio on, just to play my song. We just wanna ride, let the show out. We just wanna ride, y'all. Ride, y'all. Oh, lady say she wanna go out. So you know we pull the old school out. We just wanna ride, y'all. Ride, y'all. So if you got a old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all. Ride, y'all. If you got a old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all. If you got a old school, then you got the old school blues. Wave your hand from side to side.
Man, I quit. Somebody help me. Over it.
Then you got the old school